Start your day with wisdom and innovation in dairy farming. Introducing Shubhamastu, your digital guide to mastering the art of cattle farming and dairy management. We'll bring you the latest knowledge, practical tips, success stories and insights into modern cattle farming. From improving livestock health to boosting milk production, you'll learn it all. Get ready to elevate your farm with experts' advice, innovative ideas and real-world solutions for a thriving dairy business. Stay tuned for Shubhamastu, your pathway to smarter dairy farming and better dairy practices.